Hello guys, BrickArmory with a new gun. This time it's a Glock 17 Gen 4, heavily customized. It got a bunch of features and a bunch of attachments. Let's go over them. It starts with the compensator on top to give it a more even recoil, so it doesn't go up, it goes straight back. It also has a surefire flashlight with two push buttons, on and off switches near the trigger, an enlarged slide catch, and it's red so it's easier to find. It also got a weighted magazine, so it falls free from the gun when you press the magazine, and you don't have to take it out, it just falls out. It also got the Trichicon RMR on top, a red dot sight, and some high iron sights with co-witness. That means when you look through the red dot, you can still use your iron sights. And these sights can be used with a silencer. It also has a functional slide catch, real springs in the guide rod. The barrel does tilt a little bit. The magazine is removable. The sight is removable and it's easily replaced. And it has some pretty weird building techniques in it, and I won't go over them. Here we see the slide catch. It's under spring tension, so the slide pops hard when you push it down. Again, looking through the sights. The gun has lightning cuts in the barrel to make the slide lighter and cycle faster, and also give less recoil, so less steel is going back, or plastic in this case, so the gun doesn't flip over as much. I removed a few bricks in the front so you can see the guide rod with the springs down there, and when I press the slide catch, the slide goes forward, just like the real Glock. Well, here we have the compensator itself. It has some fence on top, so the gas expands from the bottom, or from the top, and it levels the gun out. There's some pretty easy techniques right here with the building on the side. Get the shape right. It's about 3 studs wide. That's how I did that. Now with the Trichicon on, you can also take it off very easily. It has a Trichicon slot in there, so the sight fits right in there. And I also made a cover plate so you can cover it up. Now you got a more of a standard kind of look. And if you want to take it off, just depress it right here. You can take the plate off. And of course, it doesn't work on camera. Well, also what I did there, I put the plate on backwards, so now when you push it, you can take it off. Take the Trichicon RMR. Pretty neat little sight. I put it in, and now it's on there. We have the frame of the Glock. We got a serrated trigger guard, just like the real thing. This whole part is built upside down to get the shape right and to get an indent right here for your finger. This is where the takedown pin should be on a real Glock, but I think it looks pretty okay, although of course it doesn't work. To get this shape done was pretty tricky, to get it flush with the rest of the frame. Slide catch right there, and the trigger is inside. Also the bottom to get the shape of the grip This whole part right here is just on it like that. So when you put it on, it gives that rounded edge. The gun is also on a slide in the back on rails, so it slides straight back and it stays secure to the gun. Slide has serrations on the back, got some high-rise iron sights on it, and the slide is pretty solid. As you can see, it has those sliding bricks on the back. Extractor right here. That's where the bolt goes in. And you can see the front is all opened up, lightning cuts as they call them, like salient arms. I don't know if I pronounce it right. They make custom Glocks, and they do that all the time. Now this is the barrel with some threads on the front, so you can attach a suppressor or a compensator or what have you, and it goes in just like that, just like a real Glock. Got off camera there, sorry. That's how that works. And that was my Glock 17. Here are some cool shots. And thanks for watching. And see you guys later. Bye.